Welcome to Cocktails with Jena. This afternoon we'll be making a French 75. The French 75 is one of my favorite cocktails. It's my favorite wedding drink. It's one of the only American drinks to say it has its roots that came out of Prohibition. That's not true. It actually has its roots in the 1800s, but the first time it's recorded is in 1927. Now, when you're making a French 75, you don't want to over dilute it, but you do want to chill it. So I have my glass right here with some ice in it. I'm already chilling it. It's getting ready. To make it, we're going to build it in our shaker or your mason jar, whichever you have. I need a ½ ounce of simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water, and a ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice. And I went ahead and fine strained mine so there's no pulp in it. And then you need 1 ounce of either gin or cognac. I happen to be saving my cognac for a special occasion, so I'm going to use some gin. 1 ounce all over my table. I'm only going to shake it on 1 cube. Well, maybe 2 because they're stuck together. Little tin into big tin. Face away from anything important and shake. Separate your tins. I'm going to use this tin for my discard ice. Now that's all chilled and ready to go. And I'm going to charge my glass. So I'm going to pour my champagne into my glass before I pour the cocktail in. You don't want it to foam over, so you want to give it a minute. Grab my strainer right over the top and slowly add this. And top it off with some more bubbles. And a lemon twist. French 75.